What's going on, everybody? Skips here from Skips Happy Hour, and today we're going to play with the K6 and put some cables in there. So check this out. All right, so here we go. I got the K6, I got a screwdriver here, and let's just go in here and see if we can figure this out. All right, so I got these cables here. Yeah, they're like some stuff I saw that Shane had on there, so I'm going to do these, okay, and then put these in here. Screwdriver, I got a screw right here because I noticed that the my SSD is just laying in here. Look, like, so I'm going to put a screw in that hole right there. All right, so let's get this going. First thing I guess we're going to do is just take this SSD out, right? And the power cable, I guess we can just leave it. I'll just set it over here. And then this one is the GoTech floppy drive controller. I am having problems with this, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave that right there. Yeah, just leave this one for now. I already talked about it, so we'll get that one going, okay? So, all right, so let's leave that. Here's the hard drive controller. Just pull it out. And then it goes over to here, look. So over here, I'm just gonna pull this out too, this floppy controller, just so it gets out of the way. All right, so this other part of the IDE cable here goes to this, my compact flash drive, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that out, so maybe I should just take the compact flash out. All right, we'll do that. And there's a compact flash adapter. It's got a 2 gigabyte bootable DOS drive. This is my DOS drive, so it's Windows 3.1 and DOS. It's 2 gigabytes, and it works great in DOS 6.22. So let's get that out of there. We'll just set that right here. I got the screw over here. All right. And then the only other thing we have is this CD drive right here. So it's, I don't know, I'll just take it out. Pull this out here. And it looks like it's down here on the bottom one, so remember the CD drive's on the bottom. Now I did have 4 hard drives in here, but I'm not gonna worry about that right now. Okay, so here we go. We'll try the first one. We'll see what happens. So I'm guessing if we have to go to there and then the CD-ROM, I'm guessing the long way is better. So like this way and then this way, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna put that down in here on IDE channel number 1. We'll put that in there. All right, it went in there pretty easy. So then it looks like we have to get to the compact flash, which is over here, and that. So that's not gonna work, see? So let's try it the other way. Let's try it this way. And we'll put all right. So I have to go there, yeah, all right. Okay, so we're gonna take this one and put it in here in the first channel. So we can get that in there. All right, got it. And then we'll take this second one and we're gonna hook it up to this compact flash drive. All right. Then we'll put it down over here in the corner and see if it fits, and then we'll bring this back over here. I'm actually liking this. Actually looking like this might work. Let's see. Get that in there. Look at that. It looks like it actually fits, so I'm gonna put that in here like this. I know it's hitting against the graphics card, but this graphics card's coming out, and I'm gonna get something else in there. All right, so there we go. Now I'll put this one onto the SSD drive. It's a Transcend 2.5, and it says Windows 98 on it. It's 32 gigabytes, okay? So we're gonna run that one. It's set as master, I'm sure, which is on the jumper. So this is a SSD to IDE controller, or adapter, I guess. It says a gender changer, so there you go. I wouldn't try that at home. All right, let's put this in here. I'm gonna throw this just over here, and And I got a screw right here I'm gonna put that in there. Oh no, I lost it. Where is it? Oh, here it is, okay. I'll put that in here. I like it. I'll put it right in this hole right here. Let's see if we can get in there. I just noticed this screw is all right, so that SSD drive's in there, and the compact flash, a little bit wobbly, but I mean, it's good. It's not hitting anything on the graphics card motherboard. It's in there, so I'm thinking that's good. Let's try the other one. So I'm gonna pull this up here. Let's grab this other one in here. See if we can do it. I'm sorry, am I getting the camera away? I probably am. There you go. All right, and all we need is one off this, so let's just run off the first one. And we're gonna tie all these cables up at some point. And it looks to me like this is down, because I can see the notch on the CD-ROM drive, so we're gonna just put that in there. So we can get that. All right, good, okay. I wanna just take care of some of these. All right, I'm gonna tie these up, and then we'll get back and I'm gonna leave the Gotek floppy undone right now, because I don't know if you guys know, but it the Gotek, it's got a problem. I'm not sure why. It could be the Gotek, it could be the motherboard, it could be the cable, but I don't use the Gotek a whole lot, so I just want to get these cables straightened out, because the hard drive light was staying on the K6, and I know that because when I wiggle the cables, it goes off. So there was some kind of problem there. So all right. So I think we got all that on there now. Now this is a K6 K6 at 600 megahertz. It's got a little boost chip on it that has a little more cache on it. So I think that's good. I think it's going to be good for testing. I don't know about all this stuff. It looks like a water-cooled CPU, but maybe I can take those and do something with them there and put this one over there, I guess. All right, so, okay, so there you go. Looks like the camera turned off, so that's gonna be it for this video. I'll go ahead and get this hooked up, and then we'll do a video on if they worked or not. I don't know. That's the video. All right, catch you guys later. Skip's happy hour. Do me a favor, just if you haven't watched my video, just subscribe. I mean, I'm trying. I'm not the best, but just I'm trying. All right, catch you guys later. All right, we'll see you.